I am taking a new chapter, that is direct and inverse proportion. This chapter is divided into two parts. One is direct proportion and another one is indirect proportion or inverse proportion. But today I am taking this one, direct proportion. And it is the easiest chapter of class 8. Easiest chapter. Now what is direct proportion? Direct proportion means two quantities, say x and y, are in direct proportion. Is said to be in direct proportion if or whenever the one quantity, that is x, increases or decreases, the another quantity, that is y, must increase or decrease in such a way that x by y equal to k or constant. I am repeating again. Two quantities, say x and y, are said to be in direct proportion if whenever x, the quantity x, increases or decreases, then the quantity, other quantity y, must increase or decrease in such a way that x by y equal to k, which is constant. Now, for example, x, y, 20, 17, 14, 11, 8, 5 and 2, 40, 34, 28, 22, 16, 10 and 4. Now here x by y equal to 20 by 40, which is equal to 17 by 34, which is equal to 14 by 28, equal to 11 by 22, equal to 8 by 16, equal to 5 by 10, equal to 2 by 4, equal to 1 by 2, equal to k, which is constant. 20 by 40, half. 17 by 34, half. 14 by 28, that is half. That must be, if it is in direct proportion, this ratio must be equal, or that is a constant. This is the example. Then we can say that these two quantities are in direct proportion. Or in other words, we can say these two quantities, x and y, are in direct proportion if x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2, or x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. This is the condition. Now, I will teach you this method, the problem for direct proportion can be solved into three different methods. These are: 1, first, with the help of proportion, ratio, that is x by y equal to k. Second, with the help of proportion that is x1 proportion x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2. Now what is proportion? When two ratios are equal, we can say proportion. This is the ratio, this is one ratio. When these two things are there, these two ratios will be equal, so we can say it is a proportion. Now third method, with the help of unitary method. That is x1 equal to x2 by y2 into y1. For ratio, we will apply this formula. For proportion, we will apply this formula. And for unitary method, we will apply this formula to solve the problem on direct proportion under direct and inverse proportion. Okay, now I am coming to question number 1. This question I have taken from NCERT, page number 208, exercise 13.1, question number 1. It is very, very important. Very, very important. Sometimes it comes in the examination also. और इसमें से आपको ये पता चलेगा कि डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन किसको कहता है. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होगा इसी क्वेश्चन से. सो डोंट इग्नोर दिस, डोंट अंडर एस्टिमेट. यहाँ पे वी नो टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट टू बी ए direct proportion, the ratio between the two quantities must be equal. Now, let us check. Here, x and y. It is 4, 8, 12, 24. Y is 60, 100, 140, or it is in hours, or it is in rupees. 140, 180. Now, x by y, we have to check. 8 by 4 by 60 equal to 4 by 60, 8 by 100, 12 by 140 and 24 by 180. Now 4 by 160 equal to 1 by 15, which is equal to equal to 2 by 25. That is also not equal to 3 by 35, and which is not equal to 14, 12, 2 by 15. 4 15 is 60. 4 से डिवाइड करो. 8 divided by 4, that is 2. 100 divided by 4, 25. It is 12 divided by 4, that is 3. and 4 and 140 divided by 4, that is 35. Here 24 divided by 12, that is 2. 180 divided by 12, that is 15, which are not equal. So what will be the conclusion? The parking charges are not in direct proportion to the parking time. The parking charges are not in direct proportion to the parking time because these ratios are totally different from each other. That is the conclusion. Now coming to the second question. Now this is the question I have taken from NCERT, page number 206, example 4. Very, very important question also. Here question is, a train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 km per hour. We have to find out how far will it travel in 20 minutes. And B part, find the time required to cover a distance of 250 km. Now we have to segregate two things, two quantities. First of all, one is speed, distance covered, और एक है time taken. Here x1, x2, x3. x1 75 km, x2 unknown, x3 250 km. Similarly, y1, y2, y3. y1 per 1 hour, that means 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 20 minutes. Unknown. Every time you have to find out two things, two quantities. So here we have distance covered and time taken are the two quantities. Now x1, x2, x3 we have this. Now I will apply formula. Which formula? Method 1. With the help of ratio. We know x1 by y1, or you can write x1 by y1 equal to k. What is x1? That is 75 divided by y1 60 equal to k, which is equal to 15 से divide करो 5 divided by 4. This is the constant. We have 5 by 4. Now so x2 by y2 equal to also k. Now x2 क्या होता है? x2 है x2 divided by y2 20 equal to 5 by 4. Therefore x2 equal to 5 by 4 into 20, 5, 25 x2 kilometer. x2 is 25 kilometer. Now we have to find another one, y3. Same formula will apply. x3 by y3 equal to k. x3 250 divided by y3 equal to 5 by 4. Now y3 would be 250 into 4 divided by 5. That means 5 50 200 or 3 hours 20 minutes. This is the method 1 with the help of ratio. Just mention x1 by y1, find out first value of k. Now this value of k in the second to find out the x2 we have to mention the same formula, x2 by y2 equal to k, in this way. Very simple method. Now coming to the method second. Now second method. Method second. With the help of proportion. Now we know x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. Okay. What is x1? 75 into y2 20 equal to x2 into y1 60 minutes. That means x2 equal to 75 into 20 divided by 60 equal to 60 divided by 20, that is 3. 75 divided by 3, that is 75 divided 25 kilometer. Here is a kilometer. Now similarly again to find out y3, x1 y3 equal to this is the formula would be, that is x1 instead of y2 it would be y3, x2 that means x3, y1. Now here x1 75 into y3 unknown, x3 250 into y1 60, that means y3 equal to 250 into 60 divided by 75. Now 15 से डिवाइड करिए 4, ये 5 आता है 5, दैट मीन्स 5 यहाँ पे 5 से डिवाइड करिए 50 इंटू 4 200 मिनट, दैट मीन्स 3 hours 20 minutes. This is the way to solve this question with the help of proportion. Very interesting. Now coming to the method third method. With the help of unitary method. यूनिटरी मेथड स्कूल में इस तरह सिखाया जाता है और एक ही मेथड सिखाते हैं. Now we know x1 equal to x2 by y2 into y1. This is the standard form for unitary method. Now here x1 we have 75 equal to x2, that is unknown, y2 20 into y1 60. Now x2 divided by 20 into 60, that means it comes to, on considering, it comes to 3. That means x2 equal to 375 by 3. That means x2 equal to, or x2 equal to 25 kilometer. Same answer will appear in all these cases. Now again x1 equal to x3 y3 into y1. Here x1 is 75 equal to x3 250 divided by y3, that is unknown, into y1 60. Now on cross multiplication, y3 equal to 250 into 60 divided by 75. Here we have 4 divided by 5, that means 250 into 4 divided by 5, 50, that means 200 minute, or 1 hour 3 hours to 20 minutes. Now here this question I have taken from NCERT, page number 207, example 5. Generally, students try to ignore the examples, but don't do so. Now the question is, the scale of a map is given as 1:3 into 10 to the power 7. Two cities are 4 centimeters apart on the map. Find the actual distance between them. Here we have to segregate or find out two things. One, I am taking map distance, and another one is actual distance. Map distance x1, x2, 1, 4 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Here y1, y2, 3 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. We have to find out second one. Now, applying method 1. Method 1, that is with the help of ratio. We know x1 by y1 equal to k. x1, what it is? 1 divided by y1, that means 3 into 10 to the power 7 equal to k. So this is the ratio. So x2 divided by y2 is also k. Now x2 is 4 centimeter divided by y2 equal to k. 1, 3 into 10 to the power 7. y2 would be 4 into 3 into 10 to the power 7 equal to 12 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter. Now 12 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power 5 equal to 1200 kilometer. So this is kilometer, 1200 kilometer. This is the method 1 with the help of ratio. Now I am going to solve with the help of proportion. Method 2 with the help of proportion. We know x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. Just remember this formula. Okay, what is x1? 1 into y2 equal to x2, that is 4 into y1, 3 into 10 to the power 7. Now y2 equal to 12 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter, which is equal to 12 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power 5 kilometer, equal to 1200 kilometer. This is the second method, y2. Coming to the third one, that is unitary method. We will solve this question with the help of unitary method. First of all, map distance. and actual distance. Actual distance. Map distance x1, y1. x1 1 centimeter, x1 x2, x2 4 centimeter, y1 3 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter, y2 equal to find out. We know the standard formula for unitary method. Now, method 3, with the help of unitary method. Here we know x1 equal to x2 by y2 into y1. x1 that is 1 centimeter, x2 4 centimeter, y2 that means y2 into y1 3 into 10 to the power 7. Now here cross multiplication, y2 equal to 4 into 3 into 10 to the power 7. That means 12 into 10 to the power 7 centimeter, or 12 into 10 to the power 7 divided by 10 to the power 5 kilometer equal to 1200 kilometer. This is the third question with the help of a third method with the help of unitary method. All the formulas are very simple to remember. So I don't think there will be any problem. Now coming to the fourth question. This is the fourth question, also taken from NCERT, page number 208, exercise 13.1, question number 5. It is very, very important question for examination point of view. Now, a photograph of a bacteria enlarged 50,000 times attains a length of 5 centimeter. What is the actual length of the bacteria? If the photograph is enlarged 20,000 times only, what would be its enlarged length? Now, first of all, enlarged length. Or actual length. These are the two quantities. Now enlarge. First of all, x1 50 times, x2 20 times, y1 5 centimeter, y2 to find out. Now, by with the help of ratio, method 1. with the help of ratio. We have x1 by y1 equal to k. x1, that means 50,000 times divided by y1, 5 equal to k. That means 10,000. Similarly, so x2 by y2 equal to also k. Now x2 what is 20 divided by y2 to find out equal to k. On cross multiplication, by cross multiplication, y2 equal to 2 centimeter. Now it is the first part. Up to this, what is the actual length of the bacteria? Now second part, a B part, a part. For 20,000 times, 20,000 times, for 20,000 times, and actual length is 2 centimeter. So for 1 times equal to 2 by 2 by this, or 1 by 10, or 10 to the power 4 minus 4 centimeter. What would be enlarged length? That means itna centimeter. 10 to the power 4 minus 4. This is for the B part up to this. Now coming to the second method, that is with the help of proportion. We will solve this question with the help of proportion. We know x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. Put all these values 50,000 times into y2. Find out x2 20 into y1 5. That means y2 equal to into 5 divided by 50. That means 2 centimeter. Now we will solve this question by third method, that is with the help of unitary method. Now we will solve this question with the third method, unitary method. We know x1 equal to x2 divided by y2 into y1. Now what is x1? x1 is 50,000 times. x2, that means 20,000 times divided by y2, that is unknown. y1 is 5 centimeter. Now by cross multiplication we get y2 equal to 20,000 into 5 divided by 50,000 equal to 10, that means 2 centimeter. Fifth question taken from NCERT, page number 208, exercise 13.1, question number 6. These are all very, very important questions for examination point of view. Mind it. Now, with the help of method 1, help of ratio. Here we know x1 by y1 equal to k. x1, that is 9 centimeter, divided by y1 equal to x2. It will be x2 by y2. x2 by y2. With the reference these two, we have to find this one. So here it will be x2 divided by y2. x2, that means 12 divided by y2, 28, equal to k, which is 3 by 7. Now, so x1 by y1 equal to also k. So here x1, that is 9, y1, that means y1 equal to 3 by 7. Now 9 into 7 divided by 3, or we can write y1 equal to 9 into 7 divided by 3, that means 21 meter. It should be 21 meter. Now coming to the second method with the help of proportion. With this method we know x1 y2 equal to x2 y1. Here x1 9 into y2 28 equal to x2 12 into y1. That means y1 equal to 9 into 28 divided by 12. 12, that means 3, 4, 7, 21 meter. Now coming to the third method, that is unitary method. This is the third method. We'll solve this question with the help of unitary method. We know x1 equal to x2 divided by y2 into y1. x1 9, x2 12, y2 that means 28 into y1. Now here y1 equal to 9 into 28 divided by 12. That means 3 3s are 9, 3 4 7, that means 21 meter. In this way you have to solve this. Now I will be coming with next video regarding the same direct proportion. Today we have solved 5 questions. Next will be 5 or 6. But in the next time मैं तीनों मेथड नहीं सिखाऊंगा, किसी एक सिखाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी एडुकेट कर दिया कि 3 मेथड का क्या फॉर्मेट होता है. यू नो एवरीथिंग. सो विदाउट स्पॉइलिंग टाइम we will solve another 6 questions in the next episode with the help of any one method. Okay, till then goodbye. और देखते रहिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए as much as possible. It is only for you. Thank you very much.